It is generally recommended to keep receptacles at least 6 inches away from the edge of the sink or countertop. This is to minimize the risk of water splashing onto the receptacle, which could create a safety hazard. While there is no specific code rule that addresses the distance between receptacles and sinks, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, does have general guidelines for the installation of electrical outlets in kitchens. NEC 210.52c states receptacles shall be installed in readily accessible locations. NEC 406.4 states in kitchen or pantry areas, at least one receptacle outlet shall be installed for every 12 linear feet of countertop space. The NEC does not specifically prohibit installing receptacles near sinks. However, the above guidelines suggest that receptacles should be placed in convenient locations that are not likely to be obstructed or damaged by water splashing. For safety and convenience, it is recommended to place receptacles at least 6 inches away from the edge of the sink or countertop. This will help to prevent water from splashing onto the receptacle and will make it easier to access the receptacle when needed. When considering the placement of receptacles near sinks, several factors come into play beyond just the minimum distance. The type of sink, the expected usage of the countertop space, and local electrical codes all influence the optimal location. Firstly, the type of sink is a significant consideration. A deep farmhouse sink, for example, is more likely to generate splashes than a shallow bar sink. Therefore, a greater distance may be warranted in such cases. Secondly, consider the intended use of the countertop area. If the area is primarily for food preparation, keeping receptacles further back might be preferable to avoid potential spills and splatters. Thirdly, always consult and adhere to local electrical codes. While the NEC provides a baseline, local jurisdictions may have additional requirements or interpretations that must be followed. Understanding the principles behind safe receptacle placement is crucial. Water and electricity are a dangerous combination. Water can act as a conductor, creating a path for electricity to flow where it's not intended. This can lead to electric shock, fires, and damage to appliances. By maintaining a safe distance between receptacles and water sources, you significantly reduce these risks. In addition to distance, consider the type of receptacle being used. Ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, receptacles are highly recommended for kitchen countertops, especially near sinks. GFCIs are designed to detect even small imbalances in electrical current and quickly shut off power, preventing serious injury. Regular testing of GFCI receptacles is essential to ensure they are functioning correctly. Test buttons are typically located on the receptacle itself. Pressing the test button should trip the circuit, cutting off power to the receptacle. If the GFCI fails to trip, it should be replaced immediately. Think about the overall layout of the kitchen. Consider the placement of appliances, the flow of traffic, and the location of other electrical outlets. A well-planned layout will minimize the need for extension cords and create a safer, more convenient workspace. Avoid overloading circuits. Each circuit is designed to handle a specific amount of electrical current. Overloading a circuit can cause the breaker to trip and in severe cases can lead to a fire. Be mindful of the total wattage of appliances plugged into a single circuit. If you frequently experience trip breakers, consult with a qualified electrician to assess your electrical system and make necessary upgrades. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous and should only be performed by qualified individuals. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a licensed electrician to handle the installation or repair of receptacles. Improper wiring can create a serious safety hazard. Periodically inspect receptacles for signs of damage, such as cracks, loose connections, or discoloration. Damaged receptacles should be replaced immediately. Ensure that all receptacles are properly grounded. Grounding provides a safe path for electrical current in the event of a fault, reducing the risk of electric shock. Use a circuit tester to verify that receptacles are properly grounded. If you discover a receptacle that is not grounded, contact a qualified electrician to correct the problem. Consider installing tamper-resistant receptacles, especially in homes with young children. These receptacles have a built-in safety mechanism that prevents children from inserting objects into the slots. Tamper-resistant receptacles are a relatively inexpensive way to enhance electrical safety. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical components. Locate the circuit breaker that controls the receptacle you are working on and switch it to the off position. Use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off before proceeding. Never work on electrical equipment while standing in water or on a wet surface. Water conducts electricity and can create a dangerous shock hazard. Wear appropriate safety gear when working with electricity, including rubber gloves and safety glasses. Rubber gloves provide insulation from electrical shock, and safety glasses protect your eyes from debris. Be aware of the location of underground utilities before digging in your yard. Contact your local utility company to locate underground lines before you dig to avoid damaging them and creating a safety hazard. Keep electrical cords and wires away from heat sources such as stoves, ovens, and radiators. Heat can damage the insulation on electrical cords, increasing the risk of fire. Avoid running electrical cords under rugs or carpets. This can trap heat and damage the cord, creating a fire hazard. Use surge protectors to protect your electronic devices from power surges. Power surges can damage sensitive electronic equipment. Surge protectors can help to absorb excess voltage and prevent damage. Unplug appliances when they are not in use. This can help to save energy and reduce the risk of electrical shock. Teach children about electrical safety. Explain the dangers of electricity and how to use electrical appliances safely. Supervise children when they are using electrical appliances. Store flammable materials away from electrical equipment. Flammable materials can easily ignite if they come into contact with sparks from electrical equipment. Have a fire extinguisher readily available in case of an electrical fire. Make sure the fire extinguisher is rated for electrical fires. In addition to the NEC guidelines, consider these best practices for receptacle placement. Firstly, avoid placing receptacles directly above the sink. Water can easily splash upwards and into the receptacle, creating a dangerous situation. Secondly, consider the reach of appliances. Ensure that the receptacle is within easy reach of the appliances that will be used on the countertop. Thirdly, think about future needs. Consider the possibility of adding new appliances in the future and plan accordingly. It's often a good idea to install more receptacles than you think you will need. Consider the aesthetics of the receptacle placement. While safety is the primary concern, you also want the receptacles to blend in with the overall design of the kitchen. Coordinate the color of the receptacles with the countertop and backsplash. Use recessed receptacles to minimize their visual impact. Recessed receptacles sit flush with the countertop and are less noticeable than standard receptacles. When choosing receptacles, look for those that are UL listed. UL listing indicates that the receptacle has been tested and certified to meet safety standards. Check the voltage and amperage rating of the receptacle. Make sure the receptacle is rated for the voltage and amperage of the circuit it will be connected to. Use weatherproof receptacles in outdoor areas or in areas that are exposed to moisture. Weatherproof receptacles are designed to protect against water damage. Install ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, in all wet locations, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor areas. GFCIs are designed to protect against electric shock. Test GFCIs regularly to make sure they are working properly. Replace damaged receptacles immediately. Damaged receptacles can be a safety hazard. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to replace damaged receptacles. Consider installing arc fault circuit interrupters, or SIs, in your home. SIs are designed to protect against fires caused by arc faults. Arc faults are dangerous electrical conditions that can occur when wires become damaged or frayed. SIs can detect arc faults and shut off the power to the circuit before a fire can start. Consider the placement of lighting in relation to the receptacles. Make sure that there is adequate lighting in the area around the receptacle so that you can see what you are doing. Avoid placing receptacles in dark or hard-to-reach areas. Use a receptacle tester to check the wiring of your receptacles. A receptacle tester can help you to identify common wiring problems such as reverse polarity or open ground. If you find any wiring problems, contact a qualified electrician to correct them. When installing receptacles, use the correct size wire. The size of the wire should be appropriate for the amperage of the circuit. Use wire connectors to connect wires together. Wire connectors provide a secure and reliable connection. Avoid using tape to connect wires together. Tape can dry out and become brittle over time, causing the connection to fail. When installing receptacles in metal boxes, use grounding screws to ground the boxes. Grounding the boxes helps to protect against electric shock. Use conduit to protect wires that are run through walls or ceilings. Conduit provides a physical barrier that protects the wires from damage. When installing receptacles, make sure that they're properly secured to the wall or box. Loose receptacles can be a safety hazard. Use screws or nails to secure the receptacles to the wall or box. When installing receptacles in damp locations, use waterproof covers. Waterproof covers protect the receptacles from moisture. Consider the height of the receptacles. Receptacles should be installed at a convenient height for the user. Avoid installing receptacles too high or too low. When installing receptacles, make sure that they are properly aligned. Misaligned receptacles can be difficult to use and can also be a safety hazard. Use a level to make sure that the receptacles are properly aligned. Consider the type of wall covering. The type of wall covering can affect the installation of receptacles. For example, if you are installing receptacles in a tiled wall, you will need to use special screws and anchors. When installing receptacles, follow the manufacturer's instructions. The manufacturer's instructions will provide specific information about how to install the receptacles correctly. If you have any questions about installing receptacles, contact a qualified electrician. A qualified electrician can provide you with expert advice and assistance. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. Electricity can be deadly if not handled properly. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your receptacles are installed safely and correctly. Electrical codes and best practices are constantly evolving. Stay up to date on the latest changes to ensure that your electrical system is safe and compliant. Attend electrical safety seminars and workshops to learn about new technologies and techniques. Subscribe to electrical industry publications to stay informed about the latest news and trends. Consult with a qualified electrician on a regular basis to ensure that your electrical system is in good condition. Regular inspections can help to identify potential problems before they become serious. Keep a record of all electrical work that is performed in your home. This record can be helpful when troubleshooting electrical problems or when selling your home. Be proactive about electrical safety. Take steps to prevent electrical accidents from happening. By following these guidelines, you can create a safe and comfortable home environment for yourself and your family. Remember, when in doubt, consult with a qualified electrician. Your safety is worth it. Finally, remember that this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician before performing any electrical work.